Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play real Warzone on mobile. First, you'll need to download the official Call of Duty Warzone mobile application from your device's App Store. Make sure your mobile device meets the necessary system requirements for the best experience. Once installed, simply create or log in with your Activision account to connect your progress and friends across platforms. It's a straightforward process to get started. To ensure a smooth experience, your device needs to meet specific requirements. Android users should have at least 4 GB of RAM and an Adreno 618 GPU or higher. For iOS players, 3 GB of RAM and an Apple A10 Fusion chip or newer are essential. You can also optimize your gameplay by adjusting in-game graphics settings, finding the perfect balance between visual fidelity and a consistent frame rate for competitive play. Mastering the controls is key to success on mobile. Take time to customize your touch controls and HUD layout to fit your personal playstyle, ensuring comfort and efficiency. Practice your movement, aiming, and shooting in the dedicated training modes to sharpen your skills before jumping into live matches. Don't forget to utilize helpful features like auto-loot and contextual tap, which can significantly streamline your gameplay experience. Warzone Mobile offers exciting game modes for every player. Dive into intense battle royale matches, featuring up to 120 players on iconic maps like Verdansk. For a quicker pace, try Resurgence mode, where redeployments are faster and action is constant. As you play, you'll earn valuable experience points, allowing you to unlock new weapons, operators, and a wide array of cosmetic items to personalize your loadouts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.